Hey, fitness fam. Ever wondered if you can lose 5 pounds in just 24 hours? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm breaking it down for you. Spoiler alert. It is possible, but it's not what you might think. Losing 5 pounds in a day is mostly about shedding water weight and reducing bloating, not burning actual fat. If you've got an event or just want to jumpstart your weight loss, this one-day challenge might be for you. But remember, this is a short-term fix, not a sustainable solution. For lasting weight loss, you'll need a different strategy. Ready for that one-day push? Let's dive in. First up, how much weight can you realistically lose in a day? While 5 pounds might seem extreme, most of it is water weight. Your body retains fluids due to high sodium intake, dehydration, or hormonal changes. By reducing water retention and bloating, you can see the scale drop dramatically. But it's not pure fat loss. Actual fat, less than 0.5 pounds. So yes, you can see a 5-pound difference on the scale, but don't expect it all to be fat loss. Step 1. Hydrate like crazy. It sounds counterintuitive, but drinking more water helps you lose water weight. When you're dehydrated, your body clings to every drop of water it can. By overhydrating, you'll flush out excess sodium and toxins, reducing bloating. Drink 3-4 liters of water throughout the day. Add lemon or cucumber slices to your water. They're natural diuretics. Avoid caffeinated and sugary drinks. They cause dehydration. Sip on dandelion tea or green tea, both known for their diuretic properties. Pro tip imp. Start your day with 16-20 ounces of water first thing in the morning to jumpstart the flushing process. Step 2. Go ultra-low carb and low sodium. Carbs and salt both cause your body to retain water. Cutting them drastically for 24 hours will help you de-bloat and shed excess water weight. Lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, fish, or egg whites. Low-carb veggies like spinach, kale, zucchini, and cucumber. Healthy fats like a small amount of avocado or olive oil. Refined carbs like bread, pasta, rice, and sugar. Salty foods like processed snacks, canned foods, or restaurant meals. And dairy. Some people find it causes bloating. Pro tip: season your food with herbs, pepper, and lemon juice instead of salt. Step 3. Sweat it out. To shed water weight fast, sweat heavily. An intense cardio session combined with some sauna time can help you drop a surprising amount of water weight. Try this fat-burning, sweat-inducing workout plan. Warm up 5-10 minutes of fast walking or jogging, height circuit 30 minutes, 30 seconds, burpees 30 seconds, mountain climbers 30 seconds, jump squats 30 seconds, rest. Repeat 5-6 rounds. Cool down, stretch, and hydrate. Post-workout, hit the sauna or steam room for 15-20 minutes to sweat out excess water. Pro tip: wear a sweat belt or sauna suit during your workout to enhance water loss. Step 4. Try a natural detox drink. A quick detox drink can help reduce bloating and support digestion. It's not a magical weight loss potion, but it can help you de-bloat faster. DIY detox drink recipe: 1 liter water juice of 1 lemon, 1 TBSP apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, boosts metabolism. A few mint leaves for freshness. Pro tip: sip on this throughout the day to boost metabolism and aid digestion. Step 5. Sleep like a baby. Lack of sleep causes your body to hold on to water weight and disrupts hormones that regulate fat loss. A good night's sleep helps your body detox and reset. Sleep tips for maximum weight loss. Sleep for 7-9 hours. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Avoid caffeine and screens before bed. Pro tip: drink a cup of chamomile tea before bed to promote relaxation and deep sleep. What not to do. Risks of extreme weight loss. Avoid starving yourself, taking laxatives or diuretics, and excessive cardio without hydration. The real takeaway: is it worth it? Yes, you can lose 5 pounds in 24 hours, but most of it will be water weight. This is a temporary fix, not a long-term solution. However, if you need to look leaner for an event or jumpstart your weight loss, this challenge can help you feel lighter and more confident. Final tips for safe, sustainable weight loss: eat whole, unprocessed foods. Stay hydrated daily. Incorporate strength training to build muscle. Prioritize quality sleep. Your turn. Have you ever tried an extreme weight loss challenge? Share your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical weight loss tips, hit that subscribe button.